What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about quarter 4 because it's literally just round the corner. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about your own low and no content book business and you're looking to increase your royalties, then check out the LCB Vault down below. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, quarter 4 is literally just round the corner. That's when everyone's sales start to take off. Now, this quarter 4 coming up, hold on, let me just change that to dollars. So this quarter 4 just coming up is going to be my first real quarter 4 when it comes to publishing low and no content books, because last year I started round about quarter 4. I started in November time and I didn't really have that many books. If we go back here, I only made, we scroll down again, I made $2.46. Then in December, which is still quarter 4, I made 677. Now, I can't remember exactly how many books I actually had. I know I had less than 200, maybe around 150-ish books in December. So it's going to be really interesting to see how well I do come Christmas time. Considering now, instead of having 160 books, I now have over 2,600. Now I got here that many books just by staying consistent at this business. And recently I've really been focusing on creating books for quarter 4. Now there's a few different ways that I've been doing that. If you want to know exactly how I've been doing that, then you should check out the LCB Vault, because I do have a couple of training videos in there showing you exactly what I'm doing right now. Now, my goal was to hit 3,000 by quarter 4. I could possibly just hit that, or just short of it, by the beginning of October. End of October, I'd probably have around 3,000 books. But at the minute, I have been focusing on, for the last 2 days, a couple of different low content books, and they have been taking my time up. But my goal was to hit 3,000 books by quarter 4, because I think having 3,000 books in your library, you would do extremely well when it comes to around Christmas time. Now, are you preparing for quarter 4? If you are, I'd like to know exactly what you're doing. You don't have to tell me, but it would be great. So if you can, don't forget to leave a comment down below. But you should be preparing for quarter 4. That's the biggest time of the year when it comes to running a business. What was I going to? Last month. So that's the biggest time of the year for when you have a business. Everyone talks about quarter 4. So you should be preparing, because your sales, I'm not saying it's going to, but your sales could completely explode and you could have your best months of the year. Now, from what I've heard from quite a lot of people who have been in the low content book business for quite a while and have had a few different quarter 4s themselves, well, from what I hear, I could potentially 10x my royalties. So this is last month's. Last month's was a really good month for me, even though it wasn't my best month's. $2,400, I'm still extremely happy with that. And this was just from average sales and not having any books really take off. So I'm hoping, or I think I possibly can, 10x my sales. So what do I mean? I mean, last month I made 2,400. So around Christmas time, I reckon I could possibly, I say possibly because I still don't know personally. We'll have to find out. But I think possibly I could 10x my sales and make around $10,000. Now, if I do, obviously, I'm going to make a video on that, but I can't see why I wouldn't do that, especially as sales really take off in Q4. I have quite a big diverse library as well now, so it's not like I've just got a handful of books in one niche. I'm spread across hundreds probably of different niches and multiple different types of books, so I should do extremely well, and I am hoping to hit that $10,000 in 1 month. Now, obviously, if I do or if I don't, I will make a video on this anyway, just to let everyone know and see, so you can see how my Christmas time actually went for me. Now, if you're not preparing for Q4, what I reckon you should do is just dial everything in and concentrate on starting making some decent books. Now, what I recommend doing is just try doing 5 per day. So another good thing is do your research in one batch. So maybe do that in 1 day, then do your creating another day, then do your uploading another day. Now, if you stay consistent and you do 5 books a day, because when you do your research, you could find research for so many different types of books. Then when you go to create, you could probably create 50 books in 1 day and then just post 5 per day. Because if we do 5 times 30 is 150 books. So if you just properly focus down on creating your books and really getting stuck into this business, 150 books in a month, you would have that ready for Christmas time, Q4, and you could make some good sales. So buckle down, start doing that. If you want, obviously you don't have to. You don't have to listen to anything that I say. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.